In a pan, add 3 cups of makhana, also known as fox nuts, which contain calcium and protein in it. Dry roast them on medium heat till they become crunchy. Our makhana are well roasted. You can hear the sound. Transfer them in a bowl and let them cool. In the same pan, add half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of sunflower seeds, 1/3 cup of pistachio, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas. Also, I am using seeds of black cardamom, seeds of 2 black cardamom, like this. So, I am adding 2 seeds of black cardamom. Dry roast them on medium heat for 5 minutes. Be careful not to burn them. Transfer them in a bowl and let them cool. In the same pan, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut and roast it for 2-3 minutes. Transfer it into a plate and let it cool. In a mixture jar, add the fox nuts and grind them coarsely. This is how it should look. Transfer this into a bowl. In the same mixture jar, add the roasted nuts and grind them coarsely. The nuts powder should look like this. Transfer them in the same bowl. Add the roasted coconut, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add a handful of raisins. Give it a mix. Add 1 cup of powdered jaggery. Give it a mix. Add 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let the jaggery melt completely. To this, add the fox nuts and the nuts powder. Keep the flame low and mix everything well. Our laddu mixture is ready. Transfer them into a bowl. Take a handful of laddu mixture in your hand. And do the laddu like this. Do all the remaining like this. Our high protein makhana and nuts laddu are now ready. Do like this recipe and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. God bless you all.